Hey guys, Trina here, back with a painting demo. Today we're going to be making some acrylic paint out of these pastel chalks. Please make sure to wear your mask. Don't want those particles getting in your lungs. So first we're going to crush this up into a nice powder form. And I apologize for the shaky camera, but I was crushing it really hard. So you want to make sure that you get all the lumps and the clumps out and it's as smooth as you could possibly make it. Again, it's not going to be super smooth. You can see the chunks here that I need to crush up still. So yeah, it's not going to be like store-bought paint, but it's going to resemble more of a fluid acrylic watercolor type paint. So then we're going to take the pigment and we're going to put it into our container, and then we're going to add some acrylic medium, which is going to bind that powder so that you can use it as paint. So when you paint, it will stick to the paper. So now we're going to pour in the acrylic medium, and you want to make sure it's going to take a little bit to get it to the consistency that you want. You can see that it is taking me a lot of stirring. So then we're going to add in some water to thin it down a little bit. And like I said, I like my paint a little bit more on the fluid side. So this is what we end up with, which is a nice sort of butternut squashy looking color, little pumpkin color. You can see all the little grains in there, and I'm okay with that. These are all the colors that I made this week. And this lovely blue and ochre. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.